And welcome to MPA 560, Statistical Analysis for Public Administration. I'm your Professor Brian Gazzetta, and I'm just going to take a few moments so that we can go through our syllabus so that we all start on the same page, having a good understanding and foundation of this course as we move forward. So to start with, the course description, and I'm not going to read this whole thing to you, so don't worry, but to start with, this course provides an introduction to statistical analysis and its application to research and design making for public administrators. Topics include statistics, research design, methodology, and data analysis. And one of the things that's probably going to stand out is that you've heard statistics and you've heard statistical analysis. But I will assure you that this is not a math class, that this is not a statistics class, that you're going to learn much more about research and research applications than you will statistics, and we're going to learn just how we can utilize statistics to get these sort of decisions and these sort of outcomes. We'll scroll down and we come to the instructor contact information, and like all of your ops classes, that is going to be the line of communication. So email me if you have any concerns. Required texts and resources. Hopefully by this point, if you're watching this video, you have already got our 2 texts that are going to be for this course. You also have the student learning outcomes, the various objectives that we are hopefully going to fulfill by the end of this. And then we go into our assignment overview. So this course is going to be broke down into some various deliverables. And as you can read through these, there will be discussion boards, problem analysis, a literature review, a statistics exam, a qualitative design evaluation, and then ultimately our core assignment is going to be our program evaluation design. You can see the point scale and how these are broke down. Discussion board 6 to 50 for 300 points, and then what you can see, and which I believe is going to be consistent with many of your MPA classes, is there are not a whole lot of deliverables in this class, but the deliverables that we do have all have substantial weight. So the piece of information or the piece of advice I can pass on is to be diligent in your studies, knowing that each course or each deliverable carries considerable weight in this course. Go into some final grades, and then we will go into our course schedule. This course outline is built on a weekly schedule, like I would believe many of your ops classes are, and they are all built upon a time frame of Monday to Sunday evening. So every course begins on Monday and every course closes or finishes on Sunday at 11:59. So when we talk about due dates and we talk about when assignments are due, we're working on that work week. As you can see, on some of the assignments, you'll see that there's day 6 and day 7. The logic behind those are on day 6 is when it's submitted, and that gives you 1 day to give those follow-ups, to give that feedback to your fellow colleagues, and that's why we look to have those. But we will have the breakdown of all these weeks, and you'll have a video from me on each week that will discuss the deliverables for each week. And then finally, a date to stand out that we will be talking much more as we move forward is in week 4. It is a short week because we need to get work submitted early in that week so it can be graded and grades can be submitted to the university, and there are hard deadlines set for that. As with all of your courses, there's some expectations for professionalism, regular and effective contact. I understand that you being online in an online forum and being professionals, that when you reach out to me, you're expecting feedback. And so I will utilize all my diligence to get a hold of you and answer any of your questions or concerns as quickly as possible. We do have a late assignment. The policy, the late assignments will be deducted 10% of the point value of the given assignment for every day it's late, and there will be no late assignments accepted beyond 1 week of the original date. And like with all of our courses, late work will not be accepted after the course end date. And then it finally goes with some etiquette, some academic honesty, and some accommodations with students with disabilities. So I encourage all of you to view this video, listen to this video, read over the syllabus. But like I said at the very beginning, my whole intention of this is just so that we all start on the same page, that we had a moment to review, and that we can now focus on this course as we move forward. So I look forward to our next 8 weeks together. And if you have any questions, concerns at all about the syllabus, please reach out to me. So bye for now.